In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple process of enabling or disabling the keyboard sound feature on your Samsung Galaxy S23. It's essential to follow along attentively to avoid any errors, so make sure you stick around till the end. To begin, we'll navigate to the Settings menu by swiping down on your home screen and tapping the gear icon. Within Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Here, you'll easily locate the option for System Sounds and toggle off the Samsung keyboard sound. Additionally, you can adjust the volume level of System Sounds by dragging the slider to the left for a quieter experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to show your support by hitting the like button. Thank you for watching.